Well, good morning. I'm out here this morning on the Bentelli bicycle to take the backup camera off. I've got the zip ties undone. I've got the wire run through the framing of the bicycle here, back here to the camera. But now I got to take a piece off the side here and see can I pull it back through the frame. My wife wants to put it on her Magic Cycle Ocelot Pro, but it's got this 90-degree elbow on it, so I don't know what's going to happen trying to get it back out. Let me grab me some tools here. Got a rubber grommet on this side, which I'll bring it around in a few minutes and show you. But I've got to get this here grommet out. Ooh. Without trying to scratch the bicycle to pieces. Let me get a screwdriver. See what that works. Knife is mighty flimsy. I'm trying to remove this garment from the frame here where all the wires go through. She bought this bicycle for herself, but I have about taken it over. Okay, come on out of there. Okay, we got the garment out. Got the plug here that connects into the camera. We got it out. Let's see, can we find it down here somewhere? Is okay. There you go. Let's see, got all this slack wire in here. And here comes the hard part. Trying to get it back out. Okay, my wife, she come out here and helped me get the wire run through the frame, and let me show you this here garment. That's the worst part about taking it out and putting it back in. This little garment here. We popped it out, run the wire through, and replace the garment. I got my wife out here. She's taking this here side panel off here. I think there's about 5 small Phillips head screwdrivers on there. And we've got a fish tank that we're going to try to run this here through. We'll take that off so we can get up under here and where the wires are running to and come out right here, be in front of the tire. Right in here. Okay, there was a black cover, then a white cover over it, but we took it off. Let's see, can you see inside there? See the controller? And we're going to run a fish tape through it, but I think we can get the wire through there without the fish tape. Let's try it. We're using this alien tape here to hold the wire up securely there where the battery goes. I'm going to see can I get the camera down there and show you how we got it. I think she's got 3 pieces of this tape holding the wire up that tube out of the way of the battery. But there's a small channel in there that she's got it laid in. Let's see can we get it on tape. Okay, we got the camera on, or she did. I couldn't have done it without her. But we got it mounted. Let's see here. Looks pretty good. That's the camera, and here's the mount up here on the handlebars. We're gonna pull it over here in the shade where you can turn it on. You can see. Let's see what kind of angle we are at. Here's the camera running. And what else we got up here? Where your horn goes? Right here's a horn. Good, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.